All right, welcome back. Kind of neat. I just realized that these are made out of potato starch. The rices, I'm sorry, the noodles are, compared to all these that are made out of wheat. And then this one's made out of rice, which explains kind of the color as well. Kind of neat. I've already started the meatballs that I diced up in quarters and had the water boiling over here on the side. I'm going to just make it my traditional way of I'll add the packets in like I usually do. This must be the oil slash garlic. Oh, let me use my scissors again. This oil is pretty much spread out evenly, so I didn't cut it on the side like those other ones. And again, I put this into the bowl, obviously, not into the pot. I feel like it's kind of a waste to put it in the pot. This is the salt and all the good herbs and stuff that they have in there. Kind of neat. I don't notice that there's really not any spice to this. Hardly anything red. You know, I'm sure there are some chilies in there, but not much. Interestingly, these noodles come pre-packaged again inside this. Not very common. Really clear. Really light, so I'll put it straight into it. And then from the boiling, I'm gonna put it straight onto here. I probably could have had a little bit more broth, but I'm gonna cover it up. Sit there for a little bit, clean up a little bit. This is my first time making that kind this way. Again, though, back to that, I just realized it was potato. Never realized that before. And all these other ones were wheat. And this one's made out of rice. Very cool. For my extras, I'm gonna use bamboo shoots, green onions, and cilantro. Mostly cilantro stems, hardly any leaves in there. And I'm gonna keep it pretty simple today. See how it goes. All right. Wow, that was pretty easy. That was probably only like 2 minutes, not even. It smells great. You know, this is completely just by itself. See how the noodles are? See the light? It's pretty clear and light. These are the noodles that are very similar to probably what chefs would use when they're making fresh spring rolls. Another neat thing that I noticed on the package too is that it says vermicelli. So I'm assuming it's that type of noodle that is much more thin. Okay, I'll add some bamboo shoots. I love cilantro and love the greens. It's gonna go all in. Oh yes, gotta have some dry peppers, some color and some taste. Again, this is Mom's homegrown Thai chilies, dried out, sauteed in oil. It's a light oil. It's a whole new element in the flavor of the peppers. And there you have it. Thanks for joining us.